Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Aaron, and today is what day, Aaron? Today is Friday, and Aaron and I are going to Ikea
I got.
to have some brunch and to do some shopping for the house. Yes? Guys. Aaron has literally gone nuts. We just had some breakfast and now Aaron is super excited. We have such beautiful Christmas, or you can say holiday season decoration all around. It's really Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And so today is Friday again, and it's evening, so I'm going out for dinner with my friends. Like you guys know, we went to Lonavala together, so Afreen, Arwa and Sana, three of us are going for dinner. Sana's waiting for me outside, so we'll just quickly leave.
बहुत heavy हो जाएगा हमारे
So guys, we have come to this Gola place, which is right opposite Chapati, for just Gola before going for dinner. You, dude, how can that be possible? For some reason यहाँ पे लाइट अच्छी लग रही है. ये यहाँ पे ब्राइट है, वहाँ पे डार्क है शायद.
तू कितने पोस्ट एक ही
Guys, so this is Arwa again, Sana, Afreen, and we are. It's
I'm not.
vlogging.
I'm not. तू ये भी मैं तेरे पैंट्स में क्यों होते तू ऐसे करता रही है.
Yeah, she's like, oh, not now, as if like, you know, oh my god, Malaika Dora.
Your daughter is playing with my phone.
You know, sometime back she was actually calling someone. Just for your information. Okay, so now we are going back. Done dinner at Ustaadi. Usually we come here for shisha, but we had a kid with us, so we thought let's just have dinner. And now we're going back home. And now probably we're gonna see Arwa in, I don't know, 3 years, 4 years. Or I don't know when now.
Inshallah. Soon.
Or probably by then I'm gonna have like
Another kid.
no, a huge channel. A huge spread of my channel, dude. I'll have more subscribers and stuff. That's what I meant. Seriously, like another child.
And 42.
Yes, Fahim. And now we're dropping Arwa and Afreen.
कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया.
It's okay. इतनी कोई खूबसूरत शक्ल है तेरी आ रही है ऐसा. तो भी नहीं आ रहा है सच कुछ.
लाइट पे कालापन दिखे नहीं.